Welcome to today's video where we delve into the intriguing world of cryptocurrency, focusing on a rising star, Solana. Cryptocurrency, a term you've likely heard often lately, is a digital or virtual form of currency that utilizes cryptography for security. It's decentralized, operates independently of a central bank, and is becoming increasingly popular as we continue to transition into a more digital world. Now, you might be familiar with big names like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but there's another player that's been making waves in the crypto ocean, Solana. Solana, a high-performance cryptocurrency, is gaining significant attention in the market. Its unique architecture and promising features have made it a hot topic among investors and enthusiasts alike. But what exactly is Solana, and why is it gaining such traction? Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind Solana's success and why it might just be your next investment. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Solana? Well, let's dive right in. Solana is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is a high-performance blockchain platform designed for decentralized apps and cryptocurrencies. It was developed by the Solana Foundation and released in March of 2020. What sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies? Well, the main distinguishing features of Solana are its speed and low transaction fees. It's like the sports car of the blockchain world. Solana's blockchain operates at high speed, capable of handling an impressive 50,000 transactions per second. That's faster than a blink of an eye. Now, let's talk about fees. With Solana, you don't have to worry about high transaction costs. Solana's fees are incredibly low, often costing just fractions of a cent. This makes it an attractive option for developers looking to build decentralized applications, as well as for users who want to make quick and affordable transactions. But there's more. Solana is not just fast and affordable, it's also secure and scalable. Solana utilizes a unique timestamp system known as proof of history, which helps to increase the security and efficiency of the network. And when it comes to scalability, Solana is ahead of the curve. Its capacity can increase as demand grows without compromising speed or cost. Another key feature of Solana is its vibrant ecosystem. It hosts a variety of projects, from DeFi to NFTs and even Web3 applications. This diversity contributes to Solana's potential for long-term growth and innovation. So let's recap. Solana is a high-speed, low-cost blockchain platform that is secure, scalable, and hosts a diverse ecosystem. Its unique features make it stand out in the crowded world of cryptocurrencies and present it as a promising option for developers, users, and investors alike. With its unique features, Solana is undoubtedly making waves in the crypto market. But how does it fare in terms of recent news and developments? Let's explore this in the next section. Now that we've understood what Solana is, let's dive into some of the latest news surrounding this cryptocurrency. Solana has been making waves in the crypto sphere recently. It's been a whirlwind of activity with significant price changes, new partnerships, and technological updates that are shaking up the market. Let's delve into some of these developments. Firstly, we can't ignore the elephant in the room: the dramatic price changes. After a period of steady growth, Solana's value skyrocketed, placing it amongst the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. This surge has been attributed to numerous factors, including its growing ecosystem and the increasing adoption of its technologies. Speaking of adoption, Solana has been busy forging new partnerships. Companies are recognizing the potential of Solana's fast and low-cost transactions. One of the most noteworthy partnerships is with the popular decentralized exchange, Serum. This collaboration is expected to enhance the scalability and efficiency of the platform, reinforcing Solana's position as a serious contender in the crypto race. On the technological front, Solana continues to push the boundaries. It has introduced a unique feature called Turbine, a block propagation protocol that enhances the speed and efficiency of transactions. This innovation is a game changer, making Solana one of the fastest blockchains in the market, capable of processing thousands of transactions per second. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Like any burgeoning technology, Solana has faced its fair share of controversies. A recent network outage raised questions about its reliability. While the team quickly resolved the issue, it served as a reminder of the potential risks and volatility in the crypto world. Keeping up with these updates is crucial in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Now let's switch gears and talk about why all this matters to you as an investor. You might be asking, why should I care about Solana and how does it affect me as an investor? Well, investing in Solana could potentially offer a myriad of benefits. Firstly, Solana's unique architecture has allowed it to scale at an impressive rate. And this growth potential could translate into substantial returns for savvy investors. However, it's important to note that with high reward comes high risk. The volatile nature of cryptocurrencies means that the value of your investment can fluctuate significantly in a short span of time. But don't let this deter you. Instead, use it as a reminder to stay informed about crypto news and updates. Understanding the market trends, technological advancements, and regulatory changes in the crypto space can help you make more informed decisions, thereby potentially mitigating some risks. Investing in cryptocurrencies like Solana can be a rewarding venture, but it's essential to stay informed and understand the risks involved. So are you ready to dive into the world of crypto investing? We've covered a lot today, from understanding Solana to exploring its latest news and investment potential. We've delved into what Solana is, its unique attributes, and how it's making waves in the crypto world. We've also discussed some recent news and developments around Solana that have captured the attention of investors worldwide. Remember, staying updated with the latest crypto news is essential for successful investing. It allows you to make informed decisions and seize opportunities as they arise. The world of cryptocurrency is ever evolving, and Solana is no exception. It's a dynamic, exciting field that promises intriguing possibilities. Before we wrap up, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with more insights into the world of cryptocurrency. Do you think Solana has the potential to be your next investment? Let us know in the comments below.